and in this video I'll show you how to create an account in Onshape, which is a 3D CAD system that works directly from your web browser. In the description below this video, I've included a link to Onshape, and after clicking that link, you'll be taken to this page. Here, you enter your information, and after filling it in, you click this button. Next, we choose what we will be using Onshape for, whether it's for business, commercial purposes, educational use, or for hobby projects. I choose the fun option so I can use Onshape for hobby projects, and then I click the next button. Next, we specify what best describes us, and here I select the first option. I choose hobby use, and I click next. Based on our choices, Onshape has suggested a free plan that we can use at no cost. Just remember that projects created using the free Onshape plan cannot be used commercially, and projects created under this plan are publicly accessible. So these are the limitations of the free plan. However, if we're using the software for hobby projects, home use, or simply want to learn how to create 3D models in this system, I think this plan will be suitable. And then we click the next button. Here we enter our phone number. Next, we select the CAD system we know best. Here, at this step, we can choose one of the available options, or alternatively, we can simply select the option that indicates we don't know any of them. After that, we answer the second question, which asks about which stage of the process we are currently at. For this demonstration, we can select the first option here and then click the next button to proceed. We have another question for you. Do we use a CAD system at work? Please select either yes or no, and here we have a question about how you found out about Onshape. Next, we review the terms of service and privacy policy and click this button. And now our account is being created, and once it's set up, we should receive an email confirming that the account has been created. This may take up to 15 minutes, and the email might end up in the other offers or spam folder. So to use Onshape, you need to fill out this form, and after a short while, you can start creating your own 3D models in this system. Here, I showed you how to create a free account in Onshape, and now I will show you how to create an account to use the Onshape Pro plan. The version of the plan I showed you a moment ago is the free version intended for hobby projects, but if you want to use Onshape in a company and for commercial purposes, here we simply need to indicate that Onshape will be used in a company and we have to provide the company name. And this is what the form will look like. Here, in the first step, we enter our personal information. Next, we click this button and select Business here. We click Next, and here we choose the option that best describes us. For example, I select the first option and click Next. And here we enter the company name and fill out the form. And here we answer the question. And after filling out the form, after providing the information, we click Next. And here we have more questions. Which CAD system do we know best? Let's choose one from this list or another one. How many CAD system users are there in your company? Here we select the number and then specify how many users would like to test Onshape together with you. And here we provide information about how you found out about Onshape and then review the terms of service and privacy policy. Accept these fields and then click this button to create an account. And the account has been created and you should receive an email from Onshape. Also check the offers, other or spam folders. And after opening the link sent by Onshape, you need to set your password and you can start creating your own 3D models. That's where we'll finish. Thank you for your attention, and I also encourage you to subscribe to this channel.